If you want to delete apps on your Apple Watch, this is going to be very simple. Wow, it is actually easier than most people think. I am going to break down everything step by step so you would not get confused. First, let us start directly on the Apple Watch. What you're going to want to do is press the digital crown right here to open your apps. If you are in grid view, you will see all the small icons over here. Okay, now touch and hold any app until they start to jiggle. You would see a small X button appear. Go ahead and tap that X on the app you want to remove. Then tap Delete App to confirm. Oh great, that app is already gone. Press the digital crown again to stop the jiggling. If you are using List View instead, it is a bit different but still easy. Press the digital crown to see the list. Look for the app you want to delete. Swipe left on it. You will see a red trash icon. Tap it and confirm Delete App. That is it. Simple and adequate. Now, if you would like an easier way, especially if you have to have multiple apps removed, you can go ahead and use your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch at the bottom. Scroll down to Installed on Apple Watch. Over here, tap the app you want to remove. Turn off Show App on Apple Watch. It will disappear immediately. That is probably the smoothest method. Now let us talk about something important. Some built-in apps can be deleted, but not all of them. If you do not see a delete option, that means it is a core system app and you are going to have to keep it. Apple does not allow removal of certain apps if required for the system. Also, if you delete a built-in Apple app from your iPhone, it will automatically be removed from your Apple Watch as well, so make sure you check both devices before you demand anything unusual from the system. If you cannot delete apps at all, you may have screen time restrictions turned on. On your iPhone, go to Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure deleting apps is allowed. If it is blocked, you will not be able to remove anything. Check that setting already before you call on support. Anyways, that is the full process. It is bright and smart to manage your storage regularly so things do not pile up. Make sure you clean up apps you no longer use. That would help your watch run smoother. If you have any other questions, ask in the comments. I would be happy to help.